Hello, hello, and welcome back into the kitchen. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and tonight what's for dinner is a very simple, very easy to stretch, in other words, have some leftovers, Korean beef bowl. What's in a Korean beef bowl, you say? Well, we're gonna add a package of hamburger, some garlic. We're gonna make a sauce with some brown sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of ginger. And then we are gonna serve that over rice, which I have just prepared. So we've got rice here, so that'll be the foundation of our bowl. And then just to make it stretch a little bit further, I have added, I'm going to add, just a package of Asian medley veggies. So simple. I'm gonna go ahead and make a double batch of the sauce just so that the vegetables can also be doused in the soy sesame. So good, so good. And then for a side, we're doing a trip it out, Wendy, trip it out. Oh, my dad used to say, oh, you rented your tongue and your teeth today. When you trip over your words. Definitely tripping today. I also saw this when I ran up to the store to get the hamburger. This looked really good. Sunflower crisp. It's got green cabbage, kale, red cabbage, leaf lettuce, a sweet onion vinaigrette. So that's going to be our side tonight. Oh, I thought you want to stay with me as we get the sauce and the hamburger done. And yay, let's make it. So go grab your chair, grab your spoon, roll on back. I'll try to glue my teeth in all the way and we'll get this dinner going. All right, see you in a second. All right, so glad you're back. How are you doing? What's up? What's going on your side of town? So excited you're here tonight. Everything's good here. I hope you guys noticed the other day I've started using a different template for my thumbnails. Would you give me a comment and let me know? Is it too dark, too light? Can't tell it's you. Can't tell what the product is. I'm here for feedback. Please give me feedback. It's the only way I'm gonna get better. It's the only way, so hand it over. And then we're gonna have a whole bunch of cold weather this week in Florida. Hello, it's my favorite time of year. Let's get that going. All right, so hamburger's going in. It also is gonna call for 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna grab that out of the fridge. And this is, again, this is so easy. You can prep this ahead of time and then just reheat when your family gets home. You know, you're cooking the rice while you're prepping the sauce, while you're getting the hamburger ready. I mean, it's so easy and it's so flavorful. The kids just scarf it right up. In fact, I told the kids, and they're coming over for dinner tonight. So when this is ready, I'm supposed to give them a quick ring and they'll head on over. Yay! All right, well, the hamburger is browning. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and make our sauce because it's so easy. And it's gonna take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and then if you want to, which in my family, that would be a no, but if you want to, you can add red pepper flakes. 1/4 cup soy sauce after 1/4 cup light brown sugar. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. See, well, this, I mean, when we get this done, this will be ready, and you'll stir it in. It's ridiculous how quick this comes together, and all you're doing, really, what takes the longest is the rice. And I chose today to cook it on the stovetop instead of the rice cooker. If you had it in the rice cooker, you know, that's literally put it in and walk away. is one of the best inventions. A half a teaspoon of ground ginger. And then we want to stir that up. I have a little whisk here. Here we go. Okay, this is close enough that we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. So it's 3 cloves minced. All right, there's a couple little babies in there. Oh yeah, just enough to get that fragrance out. All right, perfect. Let's give this one more good stir. Again, we've been together 11 minutes, according to my timer. And dinner's ready. All we have to do is heat up the veggies, and we're good to go. So all you're gonna do now is just stir this. The glaze will thicken just a little bit, but it'll definitely, you'll see how shiny the hamburger starts to come out. Okay, well, the hamburger is just commiserating, as we're gonna use the papa word again. As this is going, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into the microwave to steam it. And then I'll pull the hamburger into a bowl and I'll put these in the skillet and we'll make another round of the sauce for the veggies. So see you in just a second. Let me go throw these in the microwave. All right, so now let's add in our veg and remake another round of sauce. And then we will be ready to serve this up. Here we go. Same thing, we're just gonna let this simmer just for a minute, get those veggies nice and coated, and guess what? Dinner is ready. I'm gonna go prep that other salad. I'll clean this up. When I come back, we'll show it all here, and we'll be ready to eat. Woohoo! So quick, 20 minutes, so quick. All right, so veggies are done, rice is done, hamburger's done. You can't even see the hamburger. We'll put it over here. And I'm just finishing up putting together that salad. It has edamame. Delish. Just stirring this all together and then we'll be able to call everyone to the table. So, what are you making today? Iced tea, pink lemonade. What's our drink of choice? A beautiful ginger ale with cranberry or wild cherry seasoning or flavoring. Seasoning. Same, Wendy, same. All right, let's grab our plates. Excuse me, let's grab our bowls and we'll head over to the table. Well, thank you so much, my friends. I swear we were together for 15 minutes today. The longest part's cooking the rice, right? But we made Korean beef bowls. Delicious. I am so happy that you like and you share and you comment. Please subscribe if you haven't thought about subscribing. Please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, please like. Both of those things tell the algorithm, hey, you like this stuff, you want to see more of this stuff, and YouTube then goes, well, if they like it, other people are going to like it, so the channel gets to grow. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we're upcoming with a live cooking session, right, babe?
Right.
It's coming. We're deciding what to cook. All right, we'll see you soon, my friends. Thank you so much. 204 of us at the table. We need a bigger table, babe.
Get it.
Thumbs up, he says. All right, stay tuned for a Zen moment. Thank you so much.